Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display or show product name dynamically on Elementor form on pop-up when Elementor form load in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, is my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Elementor Pro plugin and this is our Elementor form. Now close and then click on button again, request a code. Now pop-up open. So we are going to display product name dynamically on pop-up. Now you see product name a step in time. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. And then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet. And then you see add snippet, so click on it. And then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. And then you see select the code type, now select JavaScript, so click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title and then you see code preview, now paste code. And you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in custom code you see document.querySelector, product title. So you can adjust this value according to requirement. Now go to product page. Now you see product title, right click on it and then click on inspect. Now inspect element open and then you see h1 class product underscore title. So we are using this class in custom code. Now you see product underscore title, back to code and then you see dot product underscore title we are using. And then you see page name field document.getElementById form field. So this is the field ID value. Now you see product name. Now go to pop-up form. So we are in form and then you see product name. Now go to advanced and then you see ID, product name we are using. So this ID field we are using in custom code. Now back to code. Now you see we are using and this is a product title class. This is a field ID. So you can add value according to requirement. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, site wide header. On top you see inactive, now active and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to product page again and refresh the page. And then you see request a code button, so click on it. Now pop-up open, request a code. So this is our form and then you see product name and we are fetching value, product title, product name, a step in time by using custom code. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.